It has been 7 long years, but we just became monetized on our YouTube channel this past Friday, April 17th, 2026. I'm so stoked. Once we get to the 1 month mark, I'm going to do a more in-depth video about my YouTube journey and why it took us so long. I think most people probably don't take 7 years to become monetized on their channel, but we made it. So I only have 1 day of my AdSense earnings. So it was on April 17th. So I'll go ahead and show you right now. You can see on that day, I went ahead and got 779 views. At least for my channel, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays are the slowest days. So I'll need a couple weeks to be able to kind of get an idea of what I'm earning on average, because my views on like Tuesdays and Wednesdays, for example, are like more than double what I'm giving on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So we'll have to see how this plays out. And from what I understand too, your RPM will continue to be, YouTube will continue to optimize your RPM once it gets a better idea of what type of ads it can serve to your audience. So I wasn't expecting this to be a reflection of how much I'm going to make in the future, but it's still really cool to see. So back to it. So on April 17th, I got 779 views. You can see my watch time was 18.9 hours. We got 5 subscribers that day, and we ended up earning $4.76. Almost all of the revenue came from full videos like this, not short ads, short feed ads. Short feed ads are very, very small. The RPM for those is like nothing. I'm still going to continue to make shorts, but you're not making them to make money off of. That's for sure. And if I come over here to revenue, you can see the videos that made the most money. So it looks like there were some ServiceNow videos, and a couple of my Air Force videos did pretty good as well. But there are certain niches where you will earn a much higher RPM. And I believe because this is a software as a service product, ServiceNow, it does pretty well. So I would definitely do your research if you're new to YouTube, or maybe you're making content and it's not making much money. I would definitely check with Gemini or ChatGPT and just try to get an idea of what niches on YouTube actually make really good money, and then maybe you could start to tailor your content towards that if that's your goal. That's not my goal to make money on here. I'm just making the videos that are interesting to me. So I will make another video at the 1 week mark to let you all know how much I've earned. I'll also do one at maybe the 2 week mark, and then maybe at the 1 month mark. And then after that, I'll just make them randomly to keep you guys updated on how much we're making.